Should be good.
Today I'm going to be building a sink enclosure for my mop sink. We already have it here. I'm going to take you through the process from start to finish. It's really easy to do with these Esto tube connectors and 1-inch aluminum tube. This side of the bracket's gonna go up against my trailer wall, so we'll screw it into the wall, and then this side will be standing.
Hey boy. Hey boy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tango? Huh? Oh, you wanna play? So, here's a look at the mop sink. Got it mounted up there. It's gonna be hidden behind our storage cabinet, behind the 3-compartment sink. Put our mop bucket over here on the side, and then we'll have our faucet coming in from the side there with a hose connected to fill the mop bucket up, and then you can dump it in there in the sink.